Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Aparna. Today in this video I am going to share 7 points so that you can prepare for your exams more efficiently. Before moving to the video, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe it and press the bell icon next to it so that whenever I upload a new video you will get the notification for it. So let's move with the video. In this video I am going to share 7 points with you all. So starting from the first point is prepare a timetable for you. Of course, if you want to start preparation for your exams, then you have to prepare a timetable. And according to me, you have to prepare two types of timetable. First timetable is about your subjects and second timetable is about your daily routines. In the subject timetable, you have to decide what subject you are going to study in one day, how many subjects you are going to study in one day, how many hours you are going to give that particular subject. In the second type of timetable, you have to write at what time you have to wake up, at what time you are going to sleep, how many hours you are going to study, and all the daily routines that you do in your home. Then let's move to the second point. In the second point, this is according to me that you have to read the chapters once. Now this point is for the theory subjects like social, science, English, Hindi, all these subjects. This point is really necessary because if you learn or if you at least read the chapter, you are going to easily understand the chapter and you will find it very easy to uh, prepare for these chapters. So according to me, you have to read the chapters at least once. So now moving to the third point. The third point is that start your preparation with a easy or a hard subject. Now this completely depends on you whether you want to start with an easy subject or you want to start with an hard subject. If you are very good student and you know that you can stay consistent in your studies, then prepare from hard subject. And if you are not very good in studies and you know that you can't stay consistent in your studies, then start preparing from an easy subject. Now let's move to the fourth point. So the fourth point is that prepare a flashcards or short notes. Now preparing a flashcards or short notes really helps you while revision and to remember it. Like preparing a flashcards or short notes, you can also prepare flashcards or short notes in small copy so that you can easily understand it, or you have to write important points in the flashcards or in the copy that you prepare for it. Now moving to the next point. So next point is go through your past 5 years of question papers. So this point really helps you to understand the pattern of your exams. It will also help you with the important questions that can come in your exams, as well as the pattern. You will really understand the pattern of your exams. So moving to the next point. Next point is that practice your question paper within 3 hours. Okay, I want to say is that take a question papers of past 5 years, and after your preparation, you have completed your preparation, start practicing with writing. I want to say is take a question paper and write it down. Give yourself 3 hours for completing it. You have to write your question papers within 3 hours. I have seen lot of students that know the answer and cannot complete the paper within the time given to them. So practice it also. So moving to the next point. The next point is revision. Now revision is really as important as your studying. If you not revise it, you will not be able to recall them in your exam. So revision is very important for you all. Revise as much as possible, but according to me, at least you have to revise twice. Now this is completely according to me. If you can revise more, then you have to really revise it. So that's all for the video. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe it. Thank you.